Yo, what's up guys, Apud here and this is Whilelab YouTube channel, and in this video you will learn about the ORD or ORD function, which is a built-in function in Python. It basically gives you the Unicode of whatever input you give it. So if you remember when we talked about the CHR function in a previous video, now this function, you pass a number, a Unicode number, and it gives you the letter or the number it represents, right? As you can see in here in the help comment, it returns a Unicode string of 1 character with ordinal. Okay, now here this ordinal function or ORD function, it does the opposite. It converts a number or a string into an integer or return 0 if no arguments are given. So we could pass it, for example. So it basically gives us the Unicode of whatever we pass to it. So for example, if we said hello and we run this, it does not expect a string. It can only convert 1 letters. So for this, so H is 72. If we tried Z, which we tested with in the previous video, this should give us 90. As you can see, it gave us 90. We can also pass numbers as long as they are in strings. You basically can only get the result of 1 item, either it's a letter or a number. So you can go for example, let's try 5 is 53. You can say, for example, comma is 34, and so on. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and peace out.